Hello friends, so today I am going to teach you PPS and PPS because some of our students are fail, so I am going to teach and help them. So PPS is an easy subject only. I will teach only important, so don't say these all. I will say just important. You have to study that all and you will be pass. So I will start from unit 1. In unit 1 don't study these all. I will show you what to study. In unit 1 introduction to these all don't study. These all are waste of time only. And for just pass you have to study storage classes and or not, and these all operations and conditional branch loop operation. Loop are three loops, and scanf printf you already know. So now I am going to teach unit 1. After unit 1 we will see unit 2. So in unit 1 I will explain some of the important topics, like I will show you. Wait for 2 minutes. I am searching where it is. See, unit 1, these all, if you study these all, definitely you can't remember all these things. So I will say only important. See, from here our unit 1 starts, and I will teach now. So introduction to programming, don't see these all are waste of time only, and you definitely, I know you know all these things, so don't waste your time here. Input, output, ALU, GPU, don't study these all. Secondary memory, yeah, if you want you can study. I will teach ALU, GPU, ideas, hard drive, these all you can know. And memory, yeah, if you want to study memory you can, because in Viva question they can ask how many types of memory, then you can say memories are the two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory are those, they are volatile memory. Volatile memory we can see at RAM. Like if current goes, our RAM memory is clear only, and we can't go back to our previous operation. We have to start that operation again. And primary memory are made for that only, to boost of computer, not to storage of the computer. So this only, yeah, see, it is called as main memory or volatile memory. Data stored in temporary only. Temporary because if current goes, our all data will be erased. See, erased when computer is turned off, and faster than secondary memory. That's why we use RAM as a secondary memory. See, RAM are of 2, RAM are of 4 or 6 GB only. So that's why they clear all their memory when computer is turned off. So RAM, you can see these are not important, but I am saying just like that, so you can have a little bit idea that how many types of RAM, all that you can see from this. SRAM, DRAM, that are not important, so I am leaving this topic. If you are interested you can see, but definitely I know you will not study this all. Yeah, if you want to study you can study these two, RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM are more important. These are asked for 2 to 3 marks only, not more than that. Study these 5 to 6 only. If you study you can, otherwise leave it, not important. Secondary memory, we can know that secondary memories are hard drive only, hard disk only, so write that all. Again I am saying it is not important, so leave this. And from here, preprocessor, yeah, preprocessor is important, but it is in 3rd chapter, so we'll study from there only. Here it is, here just introduction is there, so I will not teach. I will teach in unit 1 only. Unit 3 or 4, that is there. Compiler, yeah, compiler asks for 2 to 3 marks only, so just study what is compiler. You can say before running the program, compiler will run. If any error occurs, it will tell that error is in this line or that line, so that only compiler. These all are not important. If you study this you can, but I will not recommend to study this. You can't study, so I am leaving this topic. So see here, many student thinks that number system, that all important, binary to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, decimal number system, that all not important at all, so leave these all. So leaving these all, you think that unit 1 is over, but I will say unit 1 not over, it is very big unit, so that's why I am leaving this topic, and I will say important. Algorithm, yeah, introduction to algorithm. You can say an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solving a problem. To solve a problem means addition of a problem, like a plus b. You can say a plus b is an problem only, so you can say easily algorithm. They will ask in interview only, not in exam. Again I am saying that. And if you want to see that algorithm, it is easy only. Algorithm for finding average of 3 number. Average means Average means how many number you are taking. Sum by number you have taken. Means you have taken 3 number like 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by number of values like 1, 2, 3. So 3 numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. Here also same thing, algorithm, you have to write a start, at end you have to write a stop. So it is in the text form only. These not important, 2 or 3 marks only. I will teach you big answer so that you can pass easily by writing 2 to 3 answer only. Yeah, disadvantage of flowchart is complex logic program you can't write. If you write, user will not understand at all. See, drawing flowchart for complex logic program is difficult only. See here, in this symbol terminal is important, parallelogram also important, rectangular, diamond not important, circular. These leave these all, not important at all. Flowchart you can see, yeah, flowchart is easy only. I will say, see, if oval means start, if like this symbol you will start. Parallelogram means input and output like printf or scanf. These only use parallelogram. Remember this. And pre-processor process means rectangle. Like if we are writing a plus b plus c, then it is called as process. We are not doing anything, computer is doing for us, so it is a process only. So we can write in rectangle form. And diamond is for what? Decision operating, that determines which don't I think we don't use this one, so don't remember this. Just remember 1, 2, 3 and 4 like circle one. Starting and ending both are same. Ending with circle is starting with oval. Remember this. But you can write same, nothing happens. This arrow we didn't use, double side we didn't use this much all. See, one example is there for that. Flowchart for finding average of 3 number. Average means a plus b plus c or 1 plus 2 plus 3 by total number of values we have taken by 3. So see here, we have started from oval. Start always from oval and downside arrow because all program going downward, so you can easily remember this. I don't have to tell. And read 3 numbers. Read means what? Printf. You are taking printf and scanf, and printf and scanf in parallelogram only. I have already said. See here. See here, parallelogram, printf, scanf, input and output. So when you start the program, you will write hash include main that all, and after that you will write 3 number. So write 3 number means printf, scanf only you use. So parallelogram is there. Then you use a plus b plus c is equal to d or something. So here computer is doing for your work, so it is in rectangular form. And again you will do a plus b plus c by 3. So here also computer is doing your work only. You will not do any addition, multiplication or any complex thing. Any complex thing will be done in computer only, so it will be in rectangle form only. Then again after performing these two, you will write the average value of this. So it is in printf only, means it is in output only. So you can write in parallelogram and you can stop. See, stop and start both are same. You can use both. And here also same. I will not explain these easy only. If confirm, this will not ask in exam, but if they will ask they will ask in exam, write one program in rough and then draw easily. You can draw easily. Pseudo code. What is pseudo code? If any code is written in the word, written in the sentence, then it is called as pseudo code. See here, declare integer, that all are in word only, that we can say pseudo code. It will not ask in exam, so I will not teach all. If you want separate video for pseudo code, I will explain. Just write in comment box, but for now I will not explain. So till now we have discussed flowchart only. Flowchart is a little bit important, so study flowchart. It is important only, 2 to 3 marks only. Then we will go with data types. How many types of data types we have? We can say that we have many types of data type, but I will say we have derived data type. Just write primary data type, derived data type, user defined data type. Primary you already know, just we can declare void, integer, floating, double, real, that all are primary data type. And derived data type means these all, and these not important, leave it. Just write 2 types of data type: array, function, structure and pointer. Again I am saying it will not ask in exam, just I am saying like that only, so you can remember something. If someone will ask, you can remember something. Don't focus on this, just study flowchart till now. Runtime error, compile time error will ask only in interview, just remember. So don't waste your time in first chapter too much. See, from here our unit 1 important starts, and operator will ask for 8 marks or 7 marks or directly for 14 marks. If they will ask all 7 to 8, these all are asked, then it will come for 14 marks. If they will ask 1 to 2, then it will ask for 5 to 4 marks. Definitely they will not ask all, because all I study this, so they may be asked 1 2 3 or 4 5 6, that all only they will ask. So operator is nothing but an operator indicates the operation to perform on data. See, leave this one, I will explain. An operator is a symbol that tells computer what to do. See here, operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain tasks. To perform certain tasks, directly you can say to perform certain tasks, we use operators. We use operators like, write these all names: arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, increment, decrement, conditional, and bitwise. Yeah, I know you can't remember these all names, so I will tell one shortcut. Just I have to delete these all. Just wait. So you can easily write, I will explain. Wait till I delete. You can see previous topic. Okay, leave it. It take more time. So just wait for some time. I will tell how to remember these all names. See, just remember arithmetic. Okay, na? Just remember arithmetic operation. R is coming, so related to R, relational operator. Relational related to L, logical operator. And after that you have to remember assignment operator. Just if you remember these three, automatically these three you can easily remember, because starting on only we can't remember, so we forgot all. So just remember first one, arithmetic, related to R, relational, related to L, logical. And after that again first one, A, start with A, assignment operator, then increment, decrement, conditional operator, bitwise, special operator. Special operator they will not ask anyhow. If they will ask, I will explain now only. See, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is nothing but these operators are used for perform certain mathematical tasks like subtraction, addition, multiplication. I know you know all mathematical tasks like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, modulo division, that all you know. If they will ask in exam, write this definition or write in own words. These operators are used to numerical calculation or to perform arithmetic operations like. Otherwise, I am telling, write that only. Arithmetic operations are to perform certain numerical tasks is called as arithmetic operations. Or here you can see this also easy only. You can remember anyone. I will suggest write in onward so that you can remember. So arithmetic operations are those operations they can perform on numericals only. These operators are used for numerical calculations to perform certain arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction. Write that all. Don't write etc. Write that all. See, don't write this. Why mess up? Then write this all. These I know you can write easily. Just heading, operation, description, example, and example. In example you can write this, and output you can easily write. So I think I don't have to explain this, but little bit I will explain. So write addition, plus symbol, addition, a plus b, to write some example. A is equal to 20, b is equal to 10, and write that all. Output also you can easily write. Write these all. If you confuse in these two, then don't write this. If you confuse, don't write. If you didn't confuse, write. See, division means, if normal division we are doing, that means division only. If modular division comes, then remember that it is not a normal division, so you can easily write its reminder. Just remember like that. And here are arithmetic operations over. If you want to write this, or else write this. Don't write those two. Don't write these and these two, because the answer will be very big and you waste your time. So I will suggest write program only. They will also happy that you have written program. Also it is easy only. I know you can write easily. See, start with main. Don't start with hash include, that all. It will take much time. So directly write declare int a and b. Write some two value, then that a plus b minus subtract division, modulo division, and write output, that all. See, write this. If asked for arithmetic, write this all. If you don't know the program, write this all. And and write this only for arithmetic operation. So three things only. I think two only. 1 2, yeah, two only. I will delete this. Okay, yeah, easy only. Then relational operator we will see. Second one is relational operator after arithmetic. C A R. So after r means relational, so relational operator only. Relational operator is nothing but it will show the relation between two things. Like the comparison can be done with relational operator. You can write this also, or you can write that you can write also that the relation can, yeah, this only you write, the comparison can be done with relational operator. Write this only. And relational operator like six type of relational operator. Write this, write it, suppose six type. It will give zero, true or false. That means true means 1 and 0 means false. Because C support boolean only, it will not support true and false. So write 0 and 1. See here also 0 and 1. So write these three lines in your own words. If you can't write, then write this same to same. Don't write this one. If you want to write program, write program, or else write this. See, both they are program also there, and table also there. So I will suggest write program only, but I will explain. See here, six type means what? It is less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. See here, all this written, and here also same. I will suggest write program only. Just write these three lines, and after that write these programs. Program easy only. Write output also. Output you can see here. Output you can easily write. It is easy only. See, if it is %d, a and b we have taken, so %d, a is greater than, a is less than b. Yeah, definitely a is less than b, so answer will be 1 only. See, answer is 1. And you can compare these all. If you don't want to write all 6, write at least 4, and don't write this table. If you don't know the program, write this table only. Just you write 1 only. Don't go for complex programming. That, leave that on. And after that we will go for logical operation. Logical operation is nothing but see here, logical operator. C has 3 logical operations. Here definition is not there, directly they have told that C have 3 logical operator. You can also write that only. 3 logical operator means what? Logical and, or, and not. Just we can easily remember these all easy only. Here logical operator and or used to want to test more than one condition. If condition is more than one, like 2 condition, 3 condition, 4, more than one, then we can use logical and or. These two operators we use. And if and it is also in, it will also give in boolean only, like 0 and 1, like true and false. It will give 0 and 1. True means 1, false means 0. Remember this. So in this, don't go for programming. It will be big only. If you want to program, you can program easily, but I will explain this table. If you draw this table, it will give more marks. So I will draw this table only. So see how you can draw this table. Logical and, write expression 1 2, because I have already said logical and or are for 2 expression, more than 2, more than 1, and more than 1 means 2 3 4. I have taken 2 only. And means you can easily write if both are true. If both are false, here both are false, not given, so leave that one. If true false given, again false. If false true given, again false. So it is easy only. Or means or. You can easily write if both are true only. If one is true, one is false, then again true only. If one is false, true, then again true only. Both are false, then definitely it will give false only. And after that we will go for logical not. Logical not means if answer is true, you want to create some false condition, you can use that. See, if true is given, you can use false. If false is given, then it will give true. Just opposite of this, you can easily draw these 3 tables. Because see here program is small only, so don't write program. If you go for program, it will well and good, but write this table also if you are writing program. If you don't write this table, then go with program. Program easy only. I will explain. C, A, B, C. Here 3 conditions they have taken, and %d. In %d they have taken A is greater than B. Yeah, we know A is greater than B. No, A is less than B. Definitely it will not go for second condition. Yeah, we think if it will go for second condition. See here, A is less than C. A is less than C is true. A is less than C is true, definitely true, but A is greater than B is false. So it will not check second condition, directly it will give false. So it will give false means 0. See here. And or means if one condition also true, it will give true. So A is greater than B, no, it will give false, but it will check second condition also. So A is less than C, yes, so it will give true condition, true only 1. And here not A is less than B, A is greater than B, no, we know, but here we use not operator. So if answer is true, it will give false. If answer is false, it will give opposite. If it is false, then it will give true. Here we know it is already false, it will give true. So here we use three operators. Write this program and write this table also. If you go for table, well and good. If you can't, then go with program only. And again we are going for assignment operator. Assignment operator is nothing but just assigning 1 2 3, just a plus minus, that all is called as assignment operator. See, it is used to assign the result of an expression, or you can easily write it is used to assign the result. You can write in your own words. So here assignment means is equal to, plus is equal to, minus is equal to. See, operator always come first, so write only operator. Operator always come first. See, plus also come first, is equal to, minus also come first after is equal to, before is equal to only. See here all. So these all operators only, but just equal to they have added, plus minus division or division. This only called as assignment operator. Assignment means we are assigning something. So assignment means that only. These all are called as compound assignment. You can easily write, see, a is equal to 10, a plus is equal to 10. That means a plus means a plus. So a plus goes to that side. A plus, a is equal to a plus 10. A minus is equal to 10 means what? A is equal to a minus 10. That only, just but we are not that much programmer good, so we will write that second condition only. But for the exam point of view, we will write this. We will write this for just explaining here. We can write this also, both are correct. Just it is we are explaining here assignment operators, so I have written. Again, don't go for program, it is very big. Just write this table only, that is more than enough. If you want to go, you can go. Then we have increment and decrement operator. Increment, you know, plus means increment only, plus means increment, and decrement means 2 minus. So it means decrement. Increment operation, increment means, see here 2 plus are given. It is used to increment the value. Yeah, I have already said it will increment the value by 1. And two types of increment is there, pre increment and post increment. Pre means it will come before the number only, and post means it will come after the number. See here, this is pre because it is coming before the number. We can assume a as a number like 7, 2, anything you can assume. So it is called as pre. It is called as pre increment. And see here, here plus a means what? I will write again. See, plus a means a is equal to see here, plus a means a is equal to a plus 1. That only plus means a plus 1. So here we increment one value by using 2 plus operator. And here see, increment operator is placed before the operand. I have already said before the number only we are using increment. If we are using pre-increment, see here, it will add before only, like see, a is equal to 10 and z is equal to, z we have taken defined, then z is equal to a plus z in value of a is 10, and 10 plus means 11. So if you are using pre, it will add before only, so it will give answer 11. But if you are using post, the main difference is that only. If you are using post, then it will not give first. If you are writing z is equal to plus a, see, plus a, if you are writing, then it will give first 10 only. If you are using again printf, then it will give 11, because it will first write the condition. It will not check the condition, it will first write the number, then after it will increment the value or decrement the value. Same here, see, program is also there. If you interested, you can write, otherwise just write the explanation part. Decrement also same, two types, pre and post. See here, pre and post, a is equal to a plus 1, and again we have taken z is equal to a. Here z is equal to minus a, so it will again minus a value, it will decrement 1. See here, same, if we have taken a is equal to 10, z any value, then we are substituting z is equal to this one, this z is equal to minus 10, that means 10 minus 1, so it will give directly 9. And again if we are printing, it will give 9 only. But see here, In post decrement it will give after that. See, z is equal to a minus minus means what? Z is equal to 10, but it will write first 10 only. After printing the value, it will again, if we are printing, then it will give 9. So that is the main difference between pre and post. You can easily write. And conditional operations, conditional operator means nothing but a ternary operator is called as conditional operator. In this we are using two. One is question mark and one is two dots. Where it is? Two dots. See here, question mark and two dots is called as conditional operations. Is used to construct conditional expression like expression 1, 2 and expression 3. Expression 1 it will given 2 and 3 it is false and true, like if else condition only. See, if we are doing if else, then in if we are writing some condition, no, here some condition we are writing. So and after that we are printing some, if it is true then this, if it is false then this. So condition only we are writing first, and if we are writing here, else we are writing here. That's it. So same only, just it will decrease the some, it will decrease some code size, that only. You can easily write, if asked for expression, write this one, write this one. When expression 1 and 2, see, don't write this all. Write the, you can write this example. That's it. See, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, and we are declaring one x is equal to, here see, we are taking condition, a is greater than b. Definitely a is greater than b. Then question mark, because this is a condition, and if true this, if false this. So a, so if it is true then it will give 10. So x is assigned with a value, since the expression 1 is true. Expression 1 is always true because a is greater than b. So in the answer it will give 10. If it is like print, it is like if else condition only. If we are checking this condition, then if we write if a is greater than b, see, if a is greater than b, a is greater than b, then we will write printf. Print the value of this a. Here also same only. And else we will write print the value of b. So here also then that only. Here condition first, here we are writing condition, and directly we write if and else. That's it. You can easily write. Just do one or two program, you can understood easily. And now we are go with bitwise operator. I think this one is last. So this is easy only, bitwise operator. This operator I used to manipulate the data at bit level. It will manipulate the data at bit level, means a decimal to binary when you convert now. That only is called as bitwise operator. You can easily write, easily see that. In this also I also don't know too much, but I can explain anyhow. See, bitwise is like logical, and this table you can draw same to same as you have drawn in logical operator. So that's why I have told there to draw table only, so you can cover these three topics also, bitwise and or not. So here one extra table is added, 1 1 1 means if both are true, true only. If both are false, this means true only. 0, if 0 and 1, that means false. In same like logical and only, this table, but program for this is different. So just remember these all are same only. See here, program, don't go for program, just write what is bitwise operator and write types of bitwise operator, and or not. Left shift, right shift. Left shift means it will increment some 10 value. I will see once. I also see here. Left shift means if the value of variable is left shifted one time, then it value get double. Yeah, I say correct only. If you shift one value, then it will increase double. See here, if a is equal to 10 and we shifted left, see we shifted left means this side only, arrow mark. Just remember arrow mark only, because it is going left side, so it will increment to double. So 10 double means 20. And if it is right shift, then it will decrement double. See here, right shift means this one only, right side, because arrow mark go there. So right shift means it will decrement the value double, half only. So it will, if it is 10, then it will give 5. See example also there, I think so. I think example is not there. If you are writing left shift and right shift, write this, and don't go for this, just write this one and write this example. That's it. And for right shift also I will 10. Right shift, just right opposite of left shift. If the value of right shift is 110, then if value become half. See that only if a is 10, then right shifted it will decrement half. Just right shift this much, and this example, don't go for all that. And again, special operator, yeah, special operator we use many times, but we don't know that is called as a special operator. See, special operator is nothing but comma. It is all special operator means here only. See, comma operations is called a special, like these types of comma, size of operation, pointer, and end. I think this will not ask in exam, but anyhow, if they will ask, then write these three and explain this example. See, x is equal to 10, 4 is equal to y, x plus y. Right, this only they will, anyhow they will not ask. See here, this is also called as special operator, comma also called as special operator, percentage also called as special operator. There's that all is special operator only. So from here we have completed our operations, operators. After completing the operators, don't go for that all, these all are not important. So our first important topic is flowchart, second important topic is operators. After going for operators, don't go for these all are important in data structure, not here, so that I will explain afterwards. See, storage class is also important. It will ask for long answer, or 4 to 5 marks they will ask. So listen very carefully. Storage classes, these are there are 4 types of storage classes. The 4 types of storage classes are these following: auto, extend, static, and register. See, auto, extend, static, and register, these are 4 type of storage classes. See, we know storage classes, but we don't know that is only called as storage classes. If I explain, you can easily understood. See, automatic variable are declaration inside a function in which they are to be utilized. They are created when function is called and destroyed automatically when the function is exited. See these. See, first I have to delete this. See here, if you are creating some function like main function we have created, inside main function we declare some value int number, and that all we have created, then then automatic variable will declare itself. See here, we may also use the keyword auto to declare automatic variable expectedly. If we want to see automatic variable, you can we can directly write auto or leave it. If you didn't write auto, here computer will declare itself, then it is called as automatic variable. Just study this, write in onwards, don't write that big much answer. One important feature of automatic variable is that their value can be changed accidentally by what happen if some other function in the program that SEO that may declare the same program. See, automatic variable, it will create it by itself only, like default. So you can say automatic variable. External variable means they are also known as global variable. External means global variable. Before the main function, if you declare anything, it is called as global variable. Unlike local variable, global variable can be accessed by any function. In one program we have many functions, so we can anyhow we can access any function, so it is called as global variable. External variable are declared outside the function. I have already told, if you declare anything outside of the function, if declare any value like int a is equal to 10 before the main function, then it is called as external variable. So this only called as external variable. Now you can understood that. See here, for example, if you are creating y is equal to 5, it is called as internal variable or local variable. You can say only main can access this function. If you declare int y before the main function, here you can write main function also, here you have written another function, then it is called as global variable. Before declaring any function, if you write any variable, then it is called as global variable. Just remember that thing, that only called as global variable. They have written very big answer, just write in points. See, they are also known as global variable. I will see just first point, right? You can write first point, this one, first line, this much only. Unlike local variable, global variable can be accessed by any functions till here. Second, and external variable are also declared outside of the function. Just till here 3 points is there. Write this example. First write main here, and write this is called as local variable, and after that here also write main function, and before main function write this called as global variable, and leave this, that only called as uh, external variable. See here, that only called as external variable. Don't go for this all, these are very big. If you are studying, you can study 1 or 2 times, but yeah, here one main important thing is, if we want to declare if you want to declare any variable inside the main function, and we want that any another function can access this variable, then we have to use extern. That means any external function can use this variable. See here, extern int means it is written in main function only, but all other functions can use this. So this is called as external variable. Write this example, and just write these 3 points. That's it, external variable over. Don't write these all. Yeah, you can write leave this one, just write this only. These lines are important, removing that function. And here also write main, and here also write main. It is called as local variable, it is called as global variable. And write extern. If we declare extern, then in main function also any function can use this, so it is called as extern. Just write that definition, remove that all. That is very big program. Static variable is nothing but, see here, I will show you. I study once and I tell. Value of static variable persist until the end of the program. See, I understood. If we declare any value like x is equal to 10, so x is equal to 10 goes till end of the program. It will not delete after running after x is equal to 10 only. It is called as internal static variable. See here, if we use static means it will go till end. I will show one program. See, the value of static variable persist, or you can write easily, the value of static variable goes till end of the program. A variable can be declared static using keyword static, like you can easily write by declaring static. We can use static variable static int x. So write these 2 points. First point this, second point, by declaring static keyword we can use static variable. Second point is that. And internal static variable are those which are declared inside a function. You can write easily this point. 3 point is more than enough, and leave this all. See here, I will tell function main void main, right from here, and we are declaring int I. For I is equal to this, you can write function we have called. And here don't write this program, I will explain another program. See here, if you are writing, see, write first main program, and after main program write write this only. See, before see, write first main function, don't write this one, and write this also, and write here int I is equal to 10. Declare int I is equal to 10, and after that write average of 3 number, or average of 2 number, or a plus b you can write. So after that leave this all. After this you will write a, declare int also a comma b comma c, and that's it. And declare a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, any number you can take, and c is equal to 2. That's it. And if you are declare static here, static, that means the value will go till end of the program, it will not change anywhere. So that is called a static variable. See here also, static int x is equal to 0. If we are taking x is equal to x plus 1, it will not change. So x is equal to 0 means 1, so it will give 1 only. See, it has not changed the value. After printf only it is changed. So the main function is for static is it will not change till end of the program. That only called a static variable. After static variable we use register, I think. After static we use register variable, register keyword, and register means keyword called as register. Register variable value are stored in CPU rather than in memory where normal variable is stored. See, in Viva also they can ask which variable are stored in CPU, not in memory. So you can say as register variable, its name only you can easily write is register, means it is stored in CPU, not in memory. Write this first point. Register are temporary storage unit in CPU. The time required to access register is very less than value stored in memory, because CPU is always free only, so you can easily access in any time. It is free only, so it will not take much more time. Restriction on register variable address is not available to user because it is stored in CPU, so address is not there, it is directly stored, so address is not there for register operator. Just remember, write these 3 points. We cannot use address operator and indirect operator and or register, don't write, just write till here. Register variable does not allow implicit conversion. Leave this one. If you can't understand, leave this one. See here, register, right? This best example for register is that register int I for I is equal to 1, I less than 5 and I plus plus. Printf %d, we can know I is less than 5 and these also 1 2 3 4 5 it will write easily. So just write this example. Register, for register write these three points, right? And 1 2 3, write these three, this program you write. Otherwise I will make note for these this register storage class. For storage class I will make one note and I will give the link in description, so from there you can study storage classes. Just know the concept, you can easily write. Leave these all are not important at all. Explicit type conversion, these all are important for programming, but in exam they will not ask program, so we will not go for program. See here, command line you can easily know. If we don't want to run any line in program, we use command line. If we don't want to run single line, then we go with double slash. If we don't want to run whole line, means from here to here we don't want to run, then we will not write double slash. We can't. We can write, but for perfect method is that we use one slash and star, and after that one star and one slash. So till here program close. See here, one slash star, so it will not run the program from here to here. So for more than one line you can use this one. In one line also you can use, but it will not for good. You can easily write this or leave it, not important at all, so I am leaving this all. See, your first important topic is what? Flowchart that I have already told. Second important topic is operators. Third important topic is storage classes, and our fourth important topic in unit 1 is conditional statement, like if else statement, and our fifth important topic is ternary, or not ternary, like for loop, while loop, do while loop, that only. So this also important, so I will explain now this. See, decision statement. If in exam you can confuse in this decision statement, conditional statement, selection statement, so you can confuse in this one, and here also you can confuse by seeing this another question. I will show you. See, for another question is for that is see, iterative statement. If they will ask in loop statement in exam, you can easily write, yeah, loop you can know for and but if they ask iterative statement, we easily confuse that iterative statement means we can write if else, that all we will write. But remember, iterative means iteration means repetition. We will not repeat anything in if else statement. So iterative means repetition. Just remember, repetition. We will repeat anything in while loop, do while loop, and for loop. We will not repeat in if else. So just remember, iterative means this for while do, and loop means also for while do, and after anything come statement you can write if else and that all. So I told that because one time also I forgot, so I remember. So after that I will show you in page number 77. It is there, yeah, here only. See, decision statement, conditional statement, selection statement if came, then write these only. What are these? These are used to make decision among the alternating path. You can write in your own words. To decide any condition we use we will use the following, like simple if statement, if else statement, nested if else, nested if and else if ladder and switch statement. I will explain one by one. See, nothing, just simple if else means just simply we will write if condition is true, then statement will execute, otherwise it will not execute. See, if keyword is used to execute a set of statement when the logic condition is true, or if you forgot this statement, you can write if statement we use when statement is true and the logic also true, then we can use if statement. That's it. So write syntax, it is easy, only if, and then statement. If means if you are writing a is greater than b and write printf print a, then that only called as if statement. Flowchart, or if you draw flowchart, it is more than good. See here, condition, if condition is false, it will go for another statement. If condition is true, I think we have written wrong. See, don't go for, if condition is true, then we will go for a statement. So if condition is true, then this, if condition is false, then we will exit from the loop. So if condition is true, then statement, then after that we exit. So there all the at starting only we study at in flowchart only we have studied at oval shape or round shape means start or exit. So here they have taken round shape, and for any condition we are using diamond shape. So remember this diamond shape. That's why I didn't tease their diamond shape, because I already know in this it is there. So write false one here, don't write there. So if true is there, statement run, and after that program will end. If statement false, then directly program will end in if statement. And don't write this program very big, just to go for syntax and statement. And after that if else statement. If else statement take care of true as well as false, I have already told. And if you can write if statement take care of true only, not for false. From here you can write easily if else statement you can write. And true block is executed when condition is true, false block executed when condition is false. That's it. See here, if till here we already know in if condition till here, and if else condition you can easily know. If condition is true, then then true condition will run, true statement will run. If condition is false, then else statement will run. See here, simple only. Here also they have to write false here, but they have written here, you write false here only. See, we are checking condition is true, then true block. If condition is false, then we go with false block, and after that program will end. So that's it. It is easy flowchart only. You can easily write. Don't go for program, it is big only. Nested if else means in if condition we are writing one if and else, in else condition we are writing one if and else. See, a nested if is an if nested if is an if statement that is the object of either if or else. You can write in your own words also, it is not statement is not important, just they will see the syntax. So see here, if condition is true, then they will go with this. If else condition is false, then we go with this. See here, if condition is true, then again in another one they are going for if and statement one, else in this. Then again if condition is false, then they are going for if and else. So remember this if else, in if else, again if else, if else. This is called as only nested if. If I explain one program, you can easily understood, but time is not there. So see here, just it is easy only. Here they have written true, here they have written correct only. So here, if condition means true, then this one. Condition means false, then this one. Again in if condition, one condition is there. If that condition true, then statement will run, else statement, second statement run, and program ends. Opposite to this, draw this one, same to same. If else condition is true, then again one condition is there. If this condition true, then statement, another statement run. If else run, then this condition, after that program ends. See, this flowchart easy only, you can easily draw just true and just one condition, another condition, third condition. By writing this, you can easily understood this, where it is, you can easily understood this. So I have already explained, you can easily write. See, condition, again condition, true false, true false, true false statement. That's it. This is only called as nested. Don't write program big only. And after that we will go with else if ladder. Else if ladder, see here what they have written. This is the most general way of writing multiple way decision. If we are writing more than one condition, then we can use else if ladder. See how, if condition is statement 1, and in that only we are writing else if, and then condition true, and then we are writing condition 2 and statement 2. See, if condition 1 is true, then they will go with statement 1. Like if a is greater than 1, they will print like a only, they will print a. And if it is not true, then they will go with else. If statement 1 is true, then again they will check this condition also, and after this checking this condition, they will check this condition also. Means instead of writing else, they are writing else if, because it will check three condition, one this condition, one this, and one this. So you can write easily. And here also its flowchart easy only, right? See here, condition true, if condition is true, if condition is true, directly statement and exit the program. See here, if condition is true, directly statement checking and exit the program. Else, if condition is not true, see here, if a condition is not true, then again we are checking one condition, we are checking one condition. If it is true, if it is true, then we are going with true and statement run, statement executed, and the program. If it is false, if it is false, then it will go with second condition. If it is false, then it will go with second condition. In second condition also, statement true, then this. If statement false, then else will run, and here and the program. Easy only, you can easily understood. Just see one or two times, you can easily understood. Don't write this program. I think it is easy program only, but I will not explain. If you want, I will explain afterwards. See, these are not important. And after that we will go with switch statement. Switch statement is nothing but it is used to select one among multiple decision. Like if we are doing with, like if we are making a program for a multiple choice question. Multiple choice question means what, 1 2 3, and one question is given. If we are checking for, if user select 2, then we will in program we make like condition that if 1 2 3, if it true is correct, then 2, otherwise else. This one I will explain here. See, switch successfully test a value against a list. Don't write this one. When a match is found, statement executed. Just write this. When a match is found, the statement with the value are executed. Don't write this one, don't write. And in syntax, what is the syntax for switch? It is easy only. In switch, I have already told, we are checking multiple statement. Multiple means 1 2 3 number of statement we can check. So switch expression means condition only, we can say like a is greater than b. If a is greater than b, then if we are writing case and value 1, then 2 dots, statement 1. If case 1 is true, then statement 1 executed, and after executing statement 1, we will do break. Break means it will stop there. If we didn't write break, then statement 1 also run, statement 2 also run. So that's why we are writing break here. If case 1 is not true, then we will go with case 2. If statement 2 is correct, if case value 2 is correct, then it will run and break. And if none of these are correct, then we will write some default. In default, we are writing printf wrong value and another. You can easily understood. In program, we have done many programs, so it is easy only. See, flowchart for switch statement is more than easy. Just in switch, we are using one condition, and for checking this condition, we are using one expression, two expression, and three expression. Number of expression you can use. And here, if these all statement will not correct, then directly we will go with default, and in default what we have written, that will run, and after the program ends. Here also same statement, is this one is correct, then this run. If this one is correct, this will run and end the program. Simple only. Once you understood, you can easily write. Don't write example. If you interested, you can write, but I will suggest don't write. Comparison, it will not ask in exam anyhow, but here they have told it is important. In my exam, as per my experience, they will not ask, but if you want to study, you can study. I have already explained many things. See, so from here, so till here I have explained 5 questions, I think so, 5 or 4, and after it we are going for iterative statement. Iterative statement means it will repeat the value until we stop it forcefully, or loop control statement. See, in loop control statement or iterative statement are 3 types. See here, these are used to repeat set of statement that only I have told. While loop, do while loop, and a third one is for loop. In many program we are using for loop only, so you can easily I think you know for loop. Just anyhow I will explain, but I am telling like that. So while loop syntax is more important. So for while loop syntax is nothing but while we are checking the condition, like if else. If condition is true, then statement will run and increment the value and the statement. What is the statement that will run? I don't write this flowchart, it will be difficult only, and you can confuse between this and that if else statement you can confuse. So I will suggest don't write this flowchart, just write syntax. And in while loop I will in while loop also you can write precondition check for entry level condition checking. In while loop what will happen, if you are giving some condition, it will check the condition that time only. That's why here while condition comes first, and after that statement, and after that increment the value. See, one program is also the see initialization is done before the loop. Initialization is nothing but here condition, that only called as initialization. Loop continues as long as condition is true. Here condition true tills the loop increment and decrement is part within the loop. After checking the condition only, they will increment and decrement the value. See, one program is there. See, if int is equal to k or int is equal to m, anything we have taken, and here only we can write, and here only we can write k is equal to 1, nothing happens. So if k is if no, not we are using if, we are using else. While, so while k is greater less than or equal to 5, printf %d comma k. So first it will print 1, and after that it will increment that value, and again after this they will go here. So after incrementing the value, it is 2. So 2 is always less than or equal to 5, less than only, so it will print 2 till 4 it will print, and after 5 it will equal to 5 now, so it will not give 5. So this only called as else statement. It before incrementing or decrementing any value, it will check the condition, that only called as while loop. In while loop you can easily write, I will write this one. In while loop you can write this one, precondition checking in while loop, and for loop before incrementing or decrementing any value, it will check the condition. So that only called as, and in this write this one, second one also, leave third one. If you can't write, leave that, don't write the program, you will confuse. Do while is nothing but it will initialize the first, then it will do any program, and after that all will run. See, initialization will done first. See, if we are writing I is equal to 10, it will take 10 first only, and after that it will check the condition. So it is called as post level checking. Before checking the condition only, it will allow the program to enter. So this is called as do whiles. That's why we are do while is not that's why we are not using do while in local program. Do while is used for running the program continuously. See, don't write this, write the syntax, and here see program. Here we are initializing k is equal to 1, and directly we are writing do, and after do it will check the condition. After it will checking the condition after end of the program, and in while loop it will check the condition before end of the program. At first only it will check, that only the main difference. That why it is called as precondition and post condition. So if you are study these three and write these three in here, and in while loop also you can write. So here see, while you can write this also. In while loop, controlling condition appears at the start here and at the end, controlling condition, and iteration do not occur if the condition is false. Here iteration will not occur if condition is false, because it will check condition first in while loop, and here first iteration will occur because it will check the condition after running the program. So see here, it is checking the condition after running the program. After these all, it is checking the program, and in while loop this is written here, so it will check first only. So first iteration will run if a condition is false also. So do and while, these only. For loop, I think you easily know. For loop means first initialization means 1. Initialization means we are declaring some value like I is equal to 0, or 1 or 2, then it will check the condition whether condition is true or false, then we are incrementing and decrementing. It is also called as precondition only. While loop also called as precondition, and here also called as precondition, because it will first initialize and it will check the condition before incrementing and decrementing. In do while loop it will check the condition after incrementing and decrementing. So that is the one disadvantage of while loop. Don't write this one. If you want to write these all, write, otherwise write 3 only. Initialization is usually assigned as a statement at the, don't write this all, just write this one. Write this. Initialization is done, write in own words, initialization is done before the increment and decrement. Condition is done, condition will check before incrementing or decrementing the value. Write these 2 points, it is more than enough. If you want to write program for loop, I know you can easily write, so write for loop, because many program we have done for loop. Remove k and in place of k you can write I, then you can easily write. See here, see our that also over, and don't write these all. So I think today we have completed 5 questions, and other relational or other related statement is break, continue and go to. I think they will not ask in exam, but I will explain little bit. So break we have already know, we using break and switch statement to stop the program that then and there only. So see, it is a keyword used to terminate the loop or exit from the loop. Don't write terminate, write exit from the loop. Okay. The control jump to next statement after loop. Okay, don't write this. Just for break, write this one. Break is used, we already know break is used for while, do while, switch statement, but mainly we use break in switch statement. So write first switch statement. If you forgot these two, nothing happen, but just write switch statement first. When break is used, nested loop, then nested loop is stop then and there only. Write that, don't write. When break is used, nested loops, then only the innermost loop is terminated. See here, you can easily write statement 1, 2, and here break we have called, so 3 and 4 will not execute. And see the program, main statement, anything you can write. See here, the program is there. Int I we have declared, we are using for loop, and print d, this only we are declaring, this only we are using in main function, and after second condition we use break. So third and fourth condition will not run, till 3 only the output is there, because we have used break, so it will break. Like you can easily remember with break, cycle break or anything break. For continue you can easily write continue means it is a keyword to use continue for the next iteration of loop. See, you can easily write this one. From the name only you can remember, it is skip the statement after the continue statement. Like if you are using continue, it will skip the third condition, it will directly go to fourth condition. It is used with it, you can use continue with for, while and do while also. For iterative statement you can usually use. So see statement 1, 2, and here we are writing break for break, here we are writing continue, and 3 and 4. Here also write same program, int I less than and at all. If I is equal to 2, continue. If statement 2 will not run, because we have already given the condition. If it is equal to 2, then don't run then condition. After that condition run. So continue will run after that. See here, 1, 3, 4, 5 written. But if but when I is equal to 2, statement 2 will not run. That's why here 2 is not printed. If it is break, and we have written if I is equal to break, then till 2 only it will give, that all not give. So output for break is 1 and 2, and output for this one 2 will not come. Remember the difference between them. Go to statement is nothing but it is used to after the normal sequence of program executed to transform. Go to is nothing but see here example you can easily understood. Go to means if we are using some statement like 10 statement, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and after you want to skip 2 and 3, you can directly write go to statement 4, then it will skip 3 and 4, and after executing first one it will go to fourth statement. See here, we are using here printf hello, and after that we are going for go to abc, means go to abc, skip in between any numbers of line they can skip. So go to abc, it will skip here, and where we have declared abc here, so it will skip this and it will directly go to here. See, hello printed, and go to abc we have declared, so this will not print because it skips the line and it directly go to u, because printf u is there. So I think you can easily understood. And input and output, I think you don't want to explain input and output. It is easy only, it will not ask in exam anyhow, because all we know printf and scanf, so anyhow it will not ask. But in the case if they ask, you can easily write printf scanf, that leave these all. Now I think our unit 1 will over, I think so. Command line I have already told, so I am seeing C. Unit 2 will come. Unit 2 I will explain in another video, because this video is very much big. When you seeing this video, see with 2x speed, so it will cover in 30 minutes only. In 30 minutes you can cover unit 1 and you didn't forget. So I will explain what we have studied today. Today we have studied, first we have studied flowchart. First we have studied. Second we have studied what we have studied in second. I think we have studied if else statement, iterative conditional statement we have studied, I think. And third we have studied iterative statement. And fourth we are studying storage classes also we have studied in second only, I forgot that. And in fifth we are going for that go to that all. So just remember these things. I will show you all what you have studied. I will revise once, and you can easily score from first chapter. C unit 5 5 unit are there in PPS. In all subject I know 5 unit is there. From 1 unit it will ask for 21 marks. So if you prepare 2 unit well, you can easily pass. So just prepare 2 units, you can easily pass. And from 1 unit it will ask for 21 marks. That's why I am telling in very deep, so video is very big. So don't think that video is very big. I will not see the video, you can easily understood. If you didn't understood, I will give my number, from there you can call. Yeah, you can note my number also. How to, okay, I will give my number. I will give my number at description box only, from there you can easily see. And I think unit 1 I have explained all. I will show you what I have explained, and if you didn't understood anything, directly you can call at any time. I will explain at any time. So don't think that I have explained something that will not come in exam. Definitely it will come in exam. If you study these 5 topics only, definitely 2 to 3 topics will come, and you can easily score from unit 1 only. From all unit 21 marks is there, so that's why I am taking that much time to explain. And in index I will show what you have to study, and page number also they are given. I will give this PDF so that you can easily write in exam, and you don't waste your time. Study well. I hope you will pass in writing exam. Score good marks only, don't go for just pass. If you go for just pass, definitely you will fail. Aim for little bit high, like 40-50 marks. If you aim, you can easily pass. PPS easy only, if you understood, it will well and good. If you didn't understood anything, just message me on WhatsApp or just call me. Definitely I will pick up the call, and I will explain. See, I will show you where. Even I also don't know on what page number index is there, that's why you can skip the video for 30 to 40 seconds or 1 minute. See, from here only index will come, and here I will show. See, unit 1, I think this only. No, it is unit 2, I think. Unit 5 it is unit 4, 2, and this unit 2, and this one is unit 1. See, I will show you what to study in unit 1 and what not to study. Remove this one, preprocessor, don't study this. Yeah, remove this all. and remove this all also. For long answer I am saying remove that all because they will not come in exam. Yeah, right. Learn flowchart will come for 2 to 3 marks, not for long answer. That's why I am telling learn flowchart. And this will not ask operators. Yeah, operators also important. So second topic this. And storage classes I have explained. If you want storage classes more deeply, I will explain in another video. Just write comment box, and here bitwise operator I have explained. Type conversion will not come in exam, it will ask for interview only. Here I have explained this one, conditional statement and iterative statement. Input and output I know, you will know, this will not come. See, only 5 topic is important. This one, this 2, and bitwise third one, this is fourth one, operators fifth one, and flowchart sixth one. This is 2 marks only. You can leave these 5 topics only important, so you can easily score good marks. It is easy topic only, so I hope you understood. And within 2 to 3 days I will explain second chapter also. Till then, see this video only.